Long ago, in the black void between stars, there was a cargo ship named the Lark, known for carrying goods from the farthest reaches of space. Its crew, brave and true, sailed the endless dark, bringing resources to the galaxy's distant worlds. But on one journey, the ship stumbled upon a derelict station floating in the cold silence of space. The station was ancient, abandoned for eons, its walls cracked and decayed. No one had set foot there in centuries. As the crew boarded to investigate, they found strange, glowing containers, one of which had a life form sealed inside. It was small and gelatinous, with shimmering, translucent skin that seemed to pulse with an unknown rhythm. The crew took the creature aboard, thinking it harmless, yet they couldn't have been more wrong. That night, the dreams began. Each crew member, one by one, started dreaming of a planet they had never seen. It was a world of towering purple mountains, swirling red clouds, and vast oceans of greenish water. In the dreams, they felt a pull, a sense of urgency to reach this distant world. They had never known it before, but they knew they had to go, no matter the cost. But the more they dreamed, the stranger their reality became. The life form grew, its glow brighter each day. Soon, it was no longer harmless, it was something far more powerful, something ancient. And as the Lark drifted further into the void, the crew realized they were not alone anymore. The stars whispered secrets they could not understand, and the mystery of the lost planet they dreamed of grew ever darker. As the days passed, the dreams intensified. No crew member was spared. They saw visions of the same planet, a place lost to the stars, where time seemed to fold in on itself. They dreamed of cities half buried in sand, strange beings made of light and shadow, and a powerful, ancient artifact buried deep beneath the surface. In their dreams, the voice of an unknown entity spoke to them, urging them to find the planet, to unearth the secrets it held. The life form aboard the Lark continued to grow. It no longer glowed faintly, it now pulsed with a blinding light that filled the ship's corridors. The crew's once peaceful lives were now ruled by an invisible force, a presence that seemed to reach out from the creature and into their minds. It was as if the life form was awakening something inside them, something that drove them closer to madness, and closer to the lost world in their dreams. One night, the ship's sensors went haywire. The stars themselves seemed to shift. The fabric of space seemed to bend around them. A huge, swirling anomaly appeared ahead, a breach in the very fabric of reality. The crew had no choice but to follow it, as the call grew stronger. The planet was real. They could feel it. But as they entered the anomaly, something changed. The ship groaned, its systems faltering. The life form on board swirled in a dance of energy, as if pulling them into the heart of the breach. A deep, resonating hum filled the ship, something ancient, something cosmic. They were not just following the dreams anymore. They were being pulled toward destiny. And at the edge of the breach, they saw something that would forever change their understanding of the universe, a star, dying, but pulsing with energy, as if it too was calling them home. The legend of the Lark and its crew was about to become something much greater than a tale. It was about to become a cosmic prophecy. As the Lark passed through the breach, the crew felt their bodies twist and stretch, as if space itself was unraveling around them. The ship's hull trembled, but it held together, guided by an unseen force. Outside the windows, the stars warped into strange shapes, and the familiar blackness of space gave way to an uncharted cosmos, bright and full of alien wonders. They arrived on the planet, but it was not as they had imagined. The purple mountains, the red clouds, and the green oceans were real, but they were also wrong, somehow. The land seemed to shimmer with an unnatural light, as if the very fabric of reality had been warped here. And the artifact from their dreams, the heart of stars, was buried in the center of the planet, its presence casting an eerie glow over everything. As the crew descended into the depths of the planet, the life form, now enormous and almost alien in form, guided them. It pulsed in time with the energy of the planet itself. The crew realized it wasn't just a creature, it was a key, a being tied to the ancient forces that governed the universe. It had led them here, to this moment, to unlock the secrets hidden in the planet's core. When they reached the artifact, they found that it was not a simple object, but a living entity, an ancient consciousness, dormant for millennia, now waking. The moment the crew touched it, the stars themselves seemed to bow. They felt the weight of 1,000 ages pressing down on them. The voice from their dreams spoke again, but this time, it was clearer. You are the heirs to the forgotten truths. You have awakened the breach, the pathway to the lost worlds. But be warned, there are forces that do not wish this knowledge to be free. Protect the secrets, for they will shape the future of the cosmos. With the knowledge now imprinted on their minds, the crew returned to their ship. But they were changed. The life form, now fully awake, shimmered with the power of 1,000 stars. The ship the Lark was no longer just a vessel, it was a symbol of the ancient power they had uncovered. As they left the planet, the breach sealed behind them, fading into the vastness of space. The crew knew that their story was now part of the universe's eternal legend, a legend that would continue to echo through the stars, waiting for the next travelers to uncover the mysteries that lay hidden in the cosmic dark. And so, the tale of the breach was told by those who followed, a legend passed down among the stars, a reminder of the ancient forces that shaped their fate. What began as a cargo ship's discovery had become a chapter in a cosmic tale that would never end.